This picture gives information of the structure of a water wheel. We can see the paddles are the most important part of the water wheel, which hoist water up from the water surface. When the wheel rotates, the water carried by the paddles goes down from the height of the wheel. Then the flowing water returns to the water surface. The wheel rotates around the axis, supported by wood pillars. The water wheel can carry water to other places. To sum up, the graph tells about a water wheel. This picture gives information of the structure of the tree. We can see the outermost layer is leaves, which are green. All the leaves are on the twigs, according to the picture. Then all the twigs come from the branches shown in the picture. And all the branches come from the trunk of the tree. Many roots develop deep into the soil from the trunk. The tree grows in a lawn, together with a lot of other trees. To sum up, the graph tells about the tree structure.
This picture gives information of major transportation in modern society. We can see between 1500 and 1800, the major transportation was the carriage powered by horses. Since 1800, the bicycle has been around in people's lives. Then the train was invented and began to play a major role in transportation. From 2000, the bicycle and the car have been the major transportations. There are 3 types of cars in the bottom line. To sum up, the graph tells about major transportation. This picture gives information of the structure of the Earth. We can see the outermost layer is the sea surface. Lower, the crust. The crust is followed by the mantle, which is red. The layer just below the mantle is the outer core of the Earth. Then, the inner core is at the very center of the Earth, and it is green. There are 5 layers of the Earth in total. To sum up, the graph tells about the structure of the Earth.
This picture gives information of wind power. We can see 2 wind turbines in the middle of the picture, each of which has 3 blades. The 2 wind turbines stand in a green, small island in the sea. The sun is in the upper left corner of the picture. The background of the picture is a blue sky without clouds. The turbines generate electricity depending on wind and decrease air pollution. To sum up, the graph tells about wind power.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.